2 months ago, I built a tiny Web3 arcade for a friend's Web3 project, Pinto. This whole thing started while I was looking through my friend's projects. They have super strong 3D characters, humor, personality. The whole ecosystem is already built out. But like most Web3 projects, it heavily depends on social media posts. So I started asking myself, what new experience can I bring for their community? That's where the arcade idea came from. A small, simple game platform that lives directly in the Pintoverse, not as a huge AAA style experience, but something light, interactive, and instantly fun. From there, I started sketching the UI. The vibe was very clear, bold colors, pixel font, a layout that doesn't look too serious, and something that feels like a mix between a ritual arcade machine and a modern landing page. And here is some of the final work: an arcade style landing page with interactive buttons and sound, a navigation menu page to explore all the available games, a play now button that takes you straight to the game, a profile window to keep track of all the stats, and of course, a wallet connect button is a must. A leaderboard page to keep the community engaged, a shop page so that your in game points actually have some utility. And I was very particular with the website layout, which is designed to work well on both mobile and desktop. Let's talk about the first game. The first game I built was a simple dino style jumping game. The same vibe as the Chrome browser offline dinosaur, but with the Pinto flavor. Your character runs endlessly to the right, monsters appear, you jump. Sounds simple, but it gets tricky fast. For example, we need to manage the sprite switching between jumping and running animation. We also need to control the spacing between obstacles. That's not all. It gets even trickier with multiple game scenes. A complete game is usually consists of a starting menu scene, the actual gameplay scene, a pause screen, and an ending or score screen. For something as simple as a jumping game, there is still a surprising amount of design that goes into making each scene feel clean, smooth, and fun. Let's move on to the tech stack. I know this is probably the most interesting part to a lot of people. On the technical side of this project, I kept things light and simple, mostly TypeScript with a bit of Rust. For the UI and front-end logic, I used Next.js. It's clean, simple, and easy to scale. For hosting, I used serverless from Cloudflare Workers. It's fast, cheap, zero maintenance. On the Web3 side of things, I used Solana SDK for wallet connections and handling front-end transactions. I also had to deploy a small Solana on-chain program with Anchor and Rust. Building the game was actually the easy part. The hard part, as always, is getting people to discover it. Especially in Web3, you are not just launching a product, you are launching a story. We need to make people feel like they found something cool, not something being marketed to them. So that's the story behind this gaming platform I built a couple months back. Like and subscribe if you enjoy this calm, no BS breakdown. It tells YouTube to show it to more builders. And if you're also building a Web3 project and want something more interactive and memorable than just posts and trailers, you can always reach out to us. Happy to talk, share ideas, or help you build something fun.